Still Dre piano tutorial. Alright, so we got 3 chords here. A minor, first inversion. C, E, A. You're going to do that for a bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Together that makes 8. You're going to drop the C down to a B. You're going to give this 3 strikes. 1 and 2. Then transition and drop the top note down to a G. And 3 and 4 and. So that makes 8, 3, 5. 8, 3, 5. But you don't count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count using eighth notes. Like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice how you make a transition from here to here on an offbeat, which is an and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can also add the bass notes, which is just alternating E and A. So it's E, A, B. Oh yeah, there's a B. E, A, B. And you're going to want to roll the chord a little bit. Not just... Also remember that the original song is not in the key of A minor, and it's not quite in the key of B flat minor either. So it's in between keys, so if you play it with the original song, it'll sound kind of weird. Okay, have fun.